Let's draw a spider web.
Artsy with Mariah.
Welcome to Artsy with Mariah, where we turn a blank piece of paper into a colorful masterpiece. All you're gonna need for today's video is a piece of paper and something to color with. Let's go on our drawing adventure. Before we start, I wanna thank Emma for today's drawing idea. I'm gonna show you guys a simple trick to create a very easy spider web. What we're gonna do is we're gonna start by drawing some basic lines and form almost like a star shape. So let me show you guys how I like to do this. First, we're gonna draw one line coming down and another line coming through it, like an X. After that, we're gonna draw two more lines. This is going to create the basic shape for our spider web. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a curved shape and connect the top of each spider web line. This is going to go all the way around my web and we're gonna work our way in. You know, you don't have to worry too much about these curves looking perfect. In fact, it's actually okay if they look a little bit different. So we're just working our way around each portion of the spider web, adding little curves as we go. If you guys ever feel like I'm going a little too fast, please feel free to pause the video or even watch it again once we're done. Now that we have our spider web, I think we need to add one little spider in the middle of our web. How I'm gonna do that is I'm gonna create a circle in the center of our spider web. This circle is going to be the body of my spider. Next, I'm gonna add the legs on my spider. I'm gonna do that by drawing one line that comes out and bringing it down to create the little leg and the foot. And I'm just gonna repeat that on each side as many times as I want. Your spider could have 6 legs or it could have 100 legs if you think that would be super cool. You guys can get really creative with how you want your spiders to look today. And now for our very last step, filling in the spider. But first, I wanna introduce you guys to my old friend. He's gonna share with you guys the word of the day.
Hello friends, my name is Artsy Arthur. My old friend Mariah asked me if I'd be willing to come onto the show and share our word of the day. So let's get to it. Today's word is craft. A spider crafts its web by carefully spinning silk threads in a pattern to make a strong, sticky home for itself and to catch tasty insects to eat. They are masters of their very peculiar craft, and it's amazing to see how much detail they put into their webs. Next time you see a spider web, ask an adult to help you take a closer look. They are quite marvelous. Now, let's get back to our drawing lesson with my pal Mariah. Toodaloo!
Thank you, Arthur. It was so good to see you. Okay, you guys, let's finish up our spider. I'm gonna do that by taking a black coloring crayon and I'm just gonna come into that circle and start filling it in. And there you have it, our very own spider web drawing. Today's featured artist is Ruby. Wow, didn't she do such a great job on her dinosaur drawing? I love the colors that she picked out. Keep up the great work, Ruby. I can't wait to see what you do next. If you would like to become our next featured artist, ask an adult to go to artsywithmariah.com. Remember, the sky is the limit when it comes to your imagination, so keep drawing and keep dreaming. I'll see you guys on my next artsy adventure.
Remember to hit the subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all things Artsy with Mariah. Until next time, toodaloo, my artsy friends.